delicious, nutritious brown stew beef liver, Jamaican style. If you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to prepare some liver, so watch along. I'm going to remove the membrane. This is very easy. You can use your knife just to get underneath, then you just pull and release as I'm showing here. So welcome back to the channel. To my returning supporters, welcome back. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button to become an official member of the family. And here I'm just trying to get rid of most of the membrane and cutting it in small bite-sized pieces at the same time. Then we're going to rinse this well with vinegar and add seasons of choice, and those I'll be using, I'll link them on the screen. So we're going to rinse this, as I mentioned. After rinsing, we're going to prep our fresh season. And for the fresh season, I'm using bell peppers, hot pepper, garlic, onion, and I'm using dried thyme. I don't have fresh thyme. So we're just going to chop this, and I'll come back when it's time to add the powder season. Okay, now that we add all our first season to the liver, I'm going to add some complete season. I'm going to use black pepper, a bit of cayenne for heat, of course my dried thyme, and garlic and onion powder. I'll list those on the screen, and I'll try to put them in the description box below. So just continue watching, and I'll come back when it's time to cook this liver. Now that our liver has been marinated for around 20 minutes, I'm going to add a bit of oil to my frying pan, and then I'm going to try to separate the seasoning from the liver, and we're going to add the liver. We're going to allow this to cook for 10 minutes. Liver doesn't take long to cook. So in all, the cooking time will be around 12 minutes with seasoning and all. So now that we have salt our season from our liver, we're going to add the liver and allow this to cook off a little. And I didn't remember to mention I had a bit of Jamaican browning. So I'm just going to add this, stir well so the oil, the heated oil, can go right through this liver. We don't want the liver to be hard. So we're just going to give this a quick stir and we'll come back. Now after 8 minutes, I'm going to add my season, a bit of warm water and some ketchup, and allow this to develop a nice sauce for our liver. Okay, and for this I'm going to serve this with some nice pretty white bananas. That video is already up. I'll try to link that in the description box and link it on the iCard as well. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back at the end of the video. So here is our nutritious packed liver. This tastes so delicious. Liver is packed with a lot of nutrients, and for the complete dish with the green banana, that's a lot of iron. So in my book, this is a nutritious packed breakfast, lunch or dinner idea. So do check this out. Go and watch my banana video as well to see how I achieve these pretty white bananas, and come back and let me know. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Tap the subscribe button if you haven't. Drop me a comment, share with a friend, and like the video. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.